What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Chilbo, and I am back with another video, man. And in today's video, as you can tell by the title and by the thumbnail, we got another clothing haul slash try-on haul slash unboxing, whatever you want to call it, man, from a brand called YOKAI State, man. I'll tell y'all a little bit about them after the intro, but before we do that, man, make sure to leave a like on this video, comment some more videos you want to see, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell because you guys do not want to miss when I post. And follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well. That'll be in the link tree in the description and in one of the corners of the screen. But that's enough talking, man. Let's get right into the video. All right, y'all, so like I said in the beginning, we got a clothing haul, a mini clothing haul slash try-on haul from a brand called YOKAI State. If y'all don't know what that is a brand that I did put in my last 3 places to get shorts video. If you haven't seen that, go check that out. But I will pop up their Instagram right there. YOKAI State is a gym brand. I put it in quotations because you can honestly wear these shorts with anything, but they're focused on anime style gym shorts, you know, the short shorts for leg day, stuff like that. So you know, I had to put them in one of my videos because I'm not a big anime guy, but the one anime I do watch is Baki, and they had some fire Baki shorts on their page. If you don't know who Baki is, just look up B-A-K-I on Google. You'll know what Baki is, but that's besides the point. They had some fire shorts in there. I had to put them in my video, and they seen the video, and they sent your boy out some shorts. So we're gonna be trying them on today, rating them, you know, letting y'all know the price, shipping, all that types of stuff. So before I actually open the package, start off with the price. Got these for free. Like I said, they sent them to me, but the price on their website is $45. Pretty good price. Like I said, you know, you can find any shorts between like, you know, $25 to $60. In my opinion, that's a good price because that's how much shorts nowadays usually cost. Shipping, ordered them on April 6th. Today is April 14th. So 8 days total. So basically a whole week because not counting the weekends and stuff. So shipping was pretty fast. And yeah, the sizing I got was a large on these shorts. I am 5'6" and I'm about around 175 to 180 pounds right now. So just letting y'all know that before I try them on. But that's all the small details. Now let's get to the actual unboxing slash try on. So starting off with the packaging, as you can see, this is how you spell YOKAI. I think that's how you say it. I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong, YOKAI State. But as you see, YOKAI State, this is the package it came in. It has my address and stuff on the back, so I'm not gonna show y'all that. So that's the package, and now let's open the shorts. All right, y'all, so the shorts come with this cool like QR code that says join us on Discord, and their little card that says thank you for your order. It has the Instagram one here as well. So yeah, and it comes in this fire clear, like clear Ziploc type bag with the brand YOKAI State, and you can see that it has the type of shorts on here. These are Baki, the grappler. Baki is a grappler, and it has my size on there. So I'm gonna pop these open, and boom, this is what they. Oh man, these are hard. These are tough. As you can see, this is what the shorts are looking like. That's Baki right there. If y'all don't know who he is, he's an anime character, and he has, I don't know what that says, but it has him right here in red, and these are the shorts he wears in the actual show, as you can see. And they put him on it. In the bottom, it says YOKAI. On the back, it does say, this is the path I chose, win or lose. Right there at the bottom, if you can kind of see it. And the way they're looking already, I can tell these are gonna fit great because they got the like 5-inch inseam type of vibes. They do have pockets, so that's very good. The outside does have a drawstring, and then the inside has their little tag that says YOKAI State, and it has the sizes on there. So really good detail. Quality is really good. It's a mesh short. It looks very breathable. Overall, very fire short. But yeah, I'm gonna try them on, and I'm gonna get back to y'all. All right, y'all, so that's how they look on me, man. I am very excited and very happy about getting these shorts, you know what I'm saying? I ordered the perfect size. Like I said, I am 5'6", 170 to 180. I ordered a large. These shorts fit perfectly. When I mean they fit right, like high above the knee. Like these are like 4 to 5-inch inseam. You know, you get some good quad action in these. Very breathable, have the pockets, and they're not really like really short and tight like a lot of like short shorts are. They're actually really short but still loose to where if you need them running them or whatever, squatting them, you know, you are very comfortable in these shorts. Are overall 10 out of 10. Like I usually don't give a lot of things 10 out of 10. I usually be blunt and honest, and right now I'm being very blunt and honest. These shorts are fire. You know, shipping was only a week, pricing was really good, fire design, overall some really good shorts, man. So y'all should go check them out. Shout out to YOKAI State, man. But that's the end of the video. Make sure to leave a like on this video, comment some more videos you want to see, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell, because we are on the road to 5K. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Like I said, that'll be in one of the corners of the screen, as well as the link tree in the description. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next video.